All right, thanks, John. Yeah, I've been looking for a good macaroni salad for this time of year because you know sometimes you don't want anything too heavy when it's so hot outside.
Right.
And this is a good one. It's a macaroni salad from your great grandma, and I know you call it macaroni ring salad, but you could use any kind of macaroni.
Yeah, you can use any kind. So I went to find some rings in the store, and I found elbow noodles. So that's what we're using today.
All right, so this is a good one. I'm sure your whole family has been using it for years.
Yeah, it's delicious. So what we'll start with here is a little bit of our wet ingredients. So we'll add our mayonnaise and sugar to our dressing. So we just pour it in, mix it together, and then we'll add that to our noodles. We'll just switch here
to do that. All right.
And then we're going to start combining our vegetables together. So we're just going to combine those here. We have tomatoes, cucumbers, green peppers, carrots, and then onion and celery.
Okay.
And that just, you know, if there was something in this recipe that wasn't your preference, you can substitute that with any other vegetable. And then once we get our dressing mixed up in there, then you add your vegetables in. I like to add those in last. It just keeps it a little bit more fresh. And if you were to refrigerate this recipe for a long, so if you made it the night before and you weren't going to serve it till lunch the next day, go ahead and hold back a little bit of that dressing. It'll just keep it a little bit fresher once you go to serve it.
Okay, great. And we have the ingredients there on the screen. A lot to remember. You said, I don't remember.
I know. I was like, I don't remember all the amounts, but I just follow the recipe and it turns out great every time.
Okay, perfect. I love the color of this.
Yes.
It looks so fresh. I'm going to give it a try here.
Perfect.
And you said just keep it refrigerated. You could probably eat on it for a while.
Oh yeah, yep. And this is a big batch too, so just keep that in mind. You can half the recipe or quarter it depending on how many people you're feeding.
All right, here we go. Does your whole family like it now?
Yes.
You know, you keep introducing probably new people to the family and showing them this old recipe.
Yep, and my little one even likes it too, and she's 18 months. So, yep, it's a good way to introduce vegetables to little kids too.
Right, no, this is very good. I like the flavor of it too.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, this is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to write it down and give it a try. Thank you, Jordan.
Yes.